Hi guys, in this video we will see how as a teacher I can see the reports, the examination related reports for a student. But before that, let's see how as an administrator I can publish the result of the students for which the teacher has entered the marks. So in the last video we have seen how the teacher can enter the marks for the students. When the teacher has entered the marks, the teacher can inform the administrator by using the internal messaging system. Once that has been done for all the teachers, the administrator can publish the exam result. To do that, he can go to examination under academics, exam management, select the course for which he wants to check the details, open that batch details and the examinations will come up. Click on the exam and the subject to check whether the marks have been entered for all the subjects or not. So like this we can check for all the terms. Once we have seen that the marks have entered and are entered correctly for the subjects, as a FATENA administrator I can publish the exam result. Once I publish the exam result, the students will get to know the marks that they have obtained in each subject as entered by the teacher along with the remarks and the grades. So to publish the exam, we have to click on publish exam result. Once the result is published, the students will get SMS notification along with the automatic internal reminder. To publish the final consolidated result of both the terms or even a single term, we have to connect the exams. So we will go to connect exams and mention the weightage of each exam. So let's say the weightage of term 1 is 50 and term 2 is also 50. We have to add it up to make it 100. It can also be 30, 70 or any other permutation or combination. So once we have done this setting, to generate the report, we will go to examination and generate reports. Select the course for which we want to generate. So when we select a course, it will generate the examination for all the batches under that course. If we do not want to generate for all the batches, we have to group the batches while we create them. So that is, when we create the courses and batches, we get an option to group them. So once the report is generated, let me log in as a teacher now. I can see the reports of all the batches by going to examination report center. So here the reports will come up for all the batches. I will go to exam wise report and select any batch and the exam group will come up and I can check the details of any student. So this currently does not depend on the batch in which I am going as a teacher. I can view the examination report for all the batches, irrespective of in which batch I am taking the subject. When I go to exam wise report and I select the batch in which I am taking the subject, I can get an option to edit the remarks. So I can edit the remarks of the student for my own subject, not for the other subject. So this is an extra option that comes for the logged in teacher, where the teacher can either edit or delete the remark that she has given to the student. This can be done for any student here. Similarly, in subject-wise report and grouped exam report along with the transcript, the remarks can be edited. Rest of the reports remain same as it is for the FATENA administrator. So we have seen in the last video how a teacher can enter the marks, and now we have seen what are reports as a teacher I can check. Now in the next video we will see library module which is under academics for the teachers.